Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on choosing which notifications Siri announces on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Press the digital crown to open the app menu. Tap the Settings cog to open Settings. In Settings, tap Notifications. Scroll down the notification settings and select Announce Notifications. Make sure the Announce Notifications toggle is enabled. It should be green. If it's not, tap it to enable the setting. Scroll down and tap the toggles to the right of each app to enable or disable Siri announcements from those apps. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.